This stylistically courageous romantic comedy film premiered at Cannes Film Festival last May and has been the talk of Hollywood ever since. It's the first feature-length, silent, black and white film to be nominated for an Oscar since the original Academy Awards ceremony in 1929. Fitting then that the story is a beautiful and respectful homage to the golden age of cinema itself, a silent film about the death of silent films. It's a premise that sounds like a paper-thin gimmick, but one that director Michel Hazanavicius executes with precision, care, and determination. The hard work and fantastic technical accomplishments here are only as good as the silent stars at its center, played with an earnest admiration for the arts by French actors Jean Dujardin and Bernice Bejo, both of whom do an absolutely terrific job of conveying the emotional requirements of the film without ever speaking a word. While much of the praise of the artist is rightly directed at its yesteryear style and presentation, the film itself is an age-old story about one's usefulness in life and learning when to put pride aside and love those willing to help you. It's a relatable and uncomplicated story that works well given the limitations of the obtrusive title cards used to convey specific bits of dialogue. While I can safely say this is the best silent film I've seen since Buster Keaton in Seven Chances, and one of the better romantic comedies in recent memory, I'm not certain it's the next masterpiece of Hollywood that many in the industry are lauding it as. The Artist, a marvelous tribute to silent cinema. Well, those are my thoughts. Now let's see what you had to say about this movie in the YouTube comments. For the first time tonight, here's the Rate-O-Matic to show us our scores for The Artist. A 9 and a 10. You all love this movie, a heartwarming and delightful film bravely portrayed in a forgotten style of cinema. You scored it an amazing. Technically speaking, this film was a marvel, one that expertly captures the golden age of cinema with brilliant use of a 4:3 black and white frame and playful classical music. I thought it was awesome.